Real Madrid remain confident over Mbappe, but PSG stay still possible. Manchester United target Varane bargain according to Daily Mail. Neymar confirms he will sign new PSG deal according to ESPN Brazil. PSG wanted Courtois over Navas according to AS. Wolves look to offload 15 million euros Mir to La Liga. Bayern confident in Haaland pursuit according to Daily Mail. Atlanta sign goalkeeper on short-term deal. Ajax and Monaco battle for Recife attacking midfielder Gustavo. Fulham, Monaco and Genk battle for Ugbo. Barca step up Aguero pursuit. Frankfurt eye Rangnick move according to Sky Germany. Bailey to seek move away from Manchester United. Spurs had their sights on Kovacic. Juventus joined the race for Dembele. Benfica want to take Vinagre from Wolves. Kane would prefer to stay in England. Tony exit price set at £35 million. Mourinho plotting defensive overhaul at Spurs. Vesker's future at Real Madrid in doubt. Boca Juniors ready to step up Torreira pursuit. Tonali in line for permanent Milan deal. Inter have no intention of selling Lukaku or Martinez. Atletico set to offload 5 first-team starts. Flick could quit Bayern post. Barca want to bring More back from BVB. Milan set to hand Kajar fresh terms. PSG to target Sancho if Mbappe declines new deal. Manchester United consider Pogba Ronaldo swap deal. Cassie rejects new contract offer. Fiorentina want Gattuso. AC Milan lead illicit race. Chelsea, Everton and Atletico Madrid want Belotti. Manchester United, Real Madrid and PSG back in for Milinkovic-Savic. PSG snubbed €300 million Neymar offer from Real Madrid. Roma decide to keep Mayoral. Camavinga heading for Rennes exit. Militao conceding Real Madrid exit. Palace had their sight on Sarr. Leao price tag set at £15 million. We are taking terms with Target. Arsenal remain keen on Edouard. Inter interested in Betis defender Mendy. PSG, Real Madrid and Inter monitoring Lingard. Bayern snubbed the chance to sign Wijnaldum. Premier League clubs chasing Kazi. Bayern to move for Klopp if Flick leaves. Juventus and PSG considered swap for Dybala and Icardi. Juventus to fight PSG for Kane signing. Manchester United will face £2 million bill for Cavani if he is released. Hello and welcome back to the channel guys. Before moving to the main news of our today's news roundup, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. So we will start today's news roundup from a news from PSG. Neymar confirms he will sign new PSG deal. Speaking to ESPN Brazil after the game, Neymar said, "This renewal with PSG is no longer an issue. Obviously, I feel very comfortable and at home here at PSG. I feel happier than I was before." PSG President Nasser Al-Khelaifi added his belief that neither Neymar nor Kylian Mbappe have any reason to leave the club. "We have invested a lot in the club to win the Champions League and all the trophies available," Nasser Al-Khelaifi told RMC Sport. "Neymar and Kylian Mbappe have no excuse to leave. We really have everything to win all the tournaments." We have a great team today. We have respect for the others, but we are there with them. We are working, and it is not over. We need to continue to remain calm because the Champion League is not finished. We need to work more each day. The belief is there, the secret is work, the detail makes the difference too. Move from the next news, and this is from Bundesliga. The Bavarians feel they have an edge if the striker remains at Dortmund for one more year. Bayern Munich are confident they can land Erling Haaland as long as he stayed at Borussia Dortmund until the summer of 2022, claims the Daily Mail. The forward has a release clause that kicks in the next year, which would make him a relatively affordable heir to Robert Lewandowski. However, the likes of Real Madrid and Manchester City are keen on buying Haaland this year. PSG to target Sancho if Kylian Mbappe declines new deal. PSG are ready to target Borussia Dortmund Jadon Sancho if Kylian Mbappe declines a new contract at PSG, according to The Athletic. PSG are struggling to tie Mbappe down to fresh terms and may decide to cash in on the forward before he becomes a free agent in 2022. The French champions have already lined up Sancho to fill Mbappe's boots, with Dortmund prepared to listen to offers for the winger in the summer. Manchester United considered Pogba Ronaldo swap deal, according to Calcio Mercato. Manchester United are eager to re-sign Cristiano Ronaldo from Juventus. The Red Devils will consider an exchange deal that would see Paul Pogba return to Turin in order to bring Cristiano Ronaldo back to Old Trafford this summer. United are on course to receive a big payout for finishing in the Premier League top 4 again, and plan to put those funds towards the recapture of a club legend.